Happy Monday, everybody. Got quite a lot of baking done today. We have this delicious focaccia bread. It's got all the good stuff on it. Tomatoes, little pearl peppers, garlic, fresh herbs, olives. And then we have our homemade English muffins. These are better than Thomas's, I promise you that. And little blueberry mini muffins with so many blueberries in them. They're so sweet and delicious. And today I made chocolate cherry scones, dried cherries, semi-sweet chocolate chunks. Delicious.